Welcome back to Doc's Hot Chopper Forge. So, in the last video we got this one all welded up, ready to go. Now, that sounds solid, that sounds solid. We know that this face has already survived quenching once, so the only question is, will it survive it twice? And will this side survive it all? So, let's give it a tidy up so that we've got minimal work to do after we've ground it. We have lost 50 grams overall, bearing in mind that we've added some steel to it, so we're not doing too badly. We'll probably lose about 50 more through grinding, maybe 50 to 100. Which unfortunately means we'll be about the 20 to 22 ounce mark in the old money. But let's get this done and see how we go. Okay, so last time we did this, we quenched in water. This time we're going to quench in oil. So we've got the faces ground nicely. We're going to leave the body the way it is. I had thought to etch it, but frankly it would lose too much weight in the prep to get it ready for that. So let's heat up our usual chunk of steel for to preheat the oil, and then we'll bung this one in and bring it up slowly, and then we'll quench it and hope for the best. Now that that's getting hot, take that out and quench it. That'll bring the oil up to around about 60 degrees, give or take a little bit, which is roughly where we want it. It'll give us the fastest quench we can with canola. Now we begin just slowly heating that up. I'm sure you can see it, but we're starting to get some oxide colours going into the peacock, sort of bronzy colours at the moment, getting blue. Getting into the darker colours at the moment. So we're just starting to get the barest hint of colour to it. Starting to get there. We're not quite at critical yet. And we're very nearly at temperature. temperature. Well, that quench went a lot better. No noises that we didn't want to hear, so let's get it into the oven so it can cool off. Well, after a slight detour into Reduville, we now have a finished hammer. It's come out at, without the handle, 680 grams. So with the hammer it'll be a bit more than that. It is hung on a piece of well-seasoned potted gum. And it's come up quite nicely. Both faces sound solid. It's been heat treated. It's slightly softer than a typical anvil face, so if you do make a mistake, it's not going to be a disaster for your anvil, because you can always reface a hammer. So I'm going to have a chat to the group admins and we'll figure out a way to do this giveaway, so look out for some information on that in the very near future if you're a member of the Forging It Forward Facebook group, especially so if you are a beginner. This hammer is weighted for a beginner, and the style of head is one with a very compact closed weight, so that the amount of twisting force through the wrist to control the hammer is minimized, so it's very good for not causing injury to the elbow, which is ideal in a beginner learning hammer control. So if you've enjoyed the videos, hit the thumbs up, feel free to share on social media, and if you haven't already subscribed, I'd love it if you hit that subscribe button. When you do, don't forget, ring the notification bell. So get out to your shop, have some fun, but do stay safe, and I'll catch you for the next one.